We've used 4 solar panels of 350 watts. We have our 5 kilowatts inverter, hybrid inverter. Here is a 5.1 kilowatt battery. Hi everyone, we're Momoshai here from AquaHub Kenya. At AquaHub we deal with greenhouses, dam liners, irrigation systems, solar dryers, and also solar pumping systems and solar lighting systems. Leo tuko Kikuyu. What are we doing in Kikuyu? So leo tumekuja kuwatengenezea solar system enye itapower the houses, that is the container houses behind me. As you can see, this solar lighting system is going to power the 2-bedroom house you're seeing behind me. This is a container 2-bedroom house. Watch this till the end so that you can understand this, and also you as well, you can get this system for your home. So here we are doing the installation. This is the process. This is our tech team, and we are doing a 5 kilowatt system, and we are using the daily 5 kilowatt inverter, and we are using a lithium battery, which is a 5.1 kilowatt a lithium battery that is going to do that. So yeah, I will let you watch and see how we are doing this. It's the end of the day. Our team have managed to finish up the work today. We've used 4 solar panels of 350 watts. We have our 5 kilowatts inverter, hybrid inverter. Here is a 5.1 kilowatt battery, lithium battery. So, and if you're interested in such a system, either a solar pump for your borehole, for your shallow well, or solar system to light your home, we are your to-go person. Check our number on our bio or on the link below. Be ready to serve you. Karibuni sana AquaHub.